Hi. Don't you guys think you need to do a pre-list home inspection? If you don't, I really think that you're making a big mistake. So if you're going to list your home in the next 6 months, let's go ahead and get a pre-list home inspection done. I'll pay for it. Then we'll know what it is needs to be done. Then you can make some decisions on what it is you want to do, and we can find out what it's going to cost. We'll have estimates to negotiate when you do get your contracts. Then you'll know if it costs $600 to replace the bedroom carpet and someone wants to negotiate $1,000 or $1,500, you can say, no, this is what the estimate is we have. But then you guys are ready. When you say, ready, Missy, we want to put our house on the market and you can start marketing it in March, we're ready to rock and roll. We already will have our ducks in a row. If this is something you want to take advantage of and get your house ready to put on the market in the next 6 months to a year, please don't hesitate to reach out. Let's do it. Bye, y'all.